more, Bubba. Do more, and then it's going to be Kira's turn.
Okay. I'm going to see what it's like.
Kira, watch Bubba. He does them softly. Get him, Blue. Get him. Kira, it's in your hair.
My turn.
Kira, I wonder. Hey, you know they have flavorful bubbles and glow-in-the-dark bubbles, and oh, they stick on the wood floor. Go in there. Go in there. It'll probably make the floor slippery, so be careful. Kira, you're like a little cat with the little...
You can't do that.